Daily AI News. Headlines for August 1, 26. AI hardware is evolving rapidly, with new chips and systems announced recently. For instance, NVIDIA's latest GPU, the B200, boasts 208 billion transistors and delivers up to 20 petaflops of FP4 performance, targeting AI training. Meanwhile, Intel's Gaudi 3 offers 1.8 teraflops per watt, competing directly with NVIDIA's H100. These chips often feature massive memory bandwidth, like 8 terabytes per second, crucial for large language models. Pricing varies, with some accelerators costing over $30,000. As of this month, these products are shipping to select customers, marking a significant leap in computational power. OpenAI announced Astra, its next major model family, by releasing 10 solved math problems open for a decade, covering group theory, quantum complexity, high-dimensional geometry, coding theory, lattice cryptography, and extremal combinatorics. One proof resolves non-sophic groups. Solutions cost about $2,000 at API rates, formalized and lean. Astra coordinates multiple agents for long tasks and will undergo U.S. government review before release. OpenAI aims for autonomous research by 2028, with an intern-level system by September. Mathematician Thomas Bloom called it big news. On X, Noam Brown noted no Millennium Prize problems were solved. Chinese humanoid robot maker Unitree Robotics is preparing to debut on Shanghai's Star Market, aiming to become the country's first listed humanoid robot company with an IPO of roughly 40.45 million shares. The move follows recent U.S. restrictions on imported robots and is seen as a strategy to secure funding for technological advancement amid tightening sanctions. Unlike rivals such as UBTech, which posted a net loss, Unitree is profitable, reporting 1.7 billion yuan in revenue and 591 million yuan in net profit last year, while other firms like Agibot and Deep Robotics are also pursuing listings. DeepSeek has released V4 Flash 0731, a major upgrade to its budget AI model that now scores 50 points on the Artificial Analysis Intelligence Index, just 1 point behind OpenAI's GPT 5.6 Luna while costing about 60% less per task. The performance gains are driven by a 98% cache discount and 12% fewer token usage, with the biggest improvements in agentic tasks like complex office work, where it jumped from 1,189 to 1,559 ELO points on the GDeepVal benchmark. The model retains its 284 billion total parameters with 13 billion active, a 1 million token context window, and is available under an MIT license on Hugging Face. ByteDance Seedance 2.5 generates 30-second video clips with built-in audio. ByteDance ships Seedance 2.5, a new version of its AI video model. It generates video and audio in one pass, producing clips up to 30 seconds long that can be extended multiple times. Google's Gemini Omni Flash tops out at about 10 seconds. Users can upload up to 30 images, 10 video clips, and 10 audio files as reference to create scenes with multiple characters and camera angles. Textures, lighting, and skin detail have also improved. ByteDance showcases the model's capabilities in a short film produced entirely with Seedance 2.5. A new study reveals that the environmental cost of large language models is far greater than previously estimated, as it extends well beyond final training runs. Researchers at the University of Washington and Allen Institute for AI tracked the full development of the Olmo 3 model family, finding that experimentation and synthetic data generation, not the final training, dominated energy, carbon, and water usage. The entire process consumed 12.3 gigawatt-hours of electricity, emitted 4,250 tons of greenhouse gases, and used 16 million liters of water, with 82% of training-related GPU hours spent on experiments rather than the final model. Thinking Machines Lab released Inkling-Small, an efficient open-weight model a quarter the size of its predecessor. This mixture of experts transformer has 276B total parameters, 12B active, with full weights on Hugging Face. It offers a 1M token context window and variable thinking effort, minimal to high, letting developers trade compute for performance. Trained on NVIDIA GB300 and VL72 systems, it uses far less compute, ideal for experimentation, coding, and fine-tuning. It outperforms Inkling on reasoning and agentic coding, 31.6% on humanities last exam, versus 29.7%, 80.2% on SWE Bench Verified, and 64.7% on Terminal Bench 2.1. YC Software has launched QM, an open-source AI agent platform for startups, announced today. Each employee gets an isolated workspace with scoped memory, files, and permissions, while collaboration happens in Slack channels and projects. The headless core supports multiple harnesses like Pi, OpenCode, Codex, and Claude Code, so deployments aren't vendor-locked. A Postgres layer stores sessions and state, and every action is audited. Security postures range from strict approval to auto-screening to dangerous, with hard denials for destructive commands. QM is MIT licensed, and deployments run in your own cloud account. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe to stay updated. And turn on notifications so you never miss out. Let us know in the comments what you think about this video. See you tomorrow for the next daily AI news.